church said no, said the children. Is it a hat?
No, look at that word properly. Remember the bossy E rule?
Tie. No, said the children. Is it a hat? Is it a hat? No, said the children. Here.
No. Just try and sound that out.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can tell me.
Look. H at p p yeah. Hap.
Happy.
Yep.
Happy. Book.
No.
Why does it have a book?
It's not book though.
But big.
No. But it What are these two sounds?
The
No, duh. Happy
birthday. Happy birthday,
Last word.
Dad.
Well done.
And it's a book. Everything else I thought it was.
Yeah. Good reading, Mousy.
Look, I found a present. Well, they thought it was a shirt first. And then they thought it was a tie, then they thought it was a hat. Then they thought it was...
Oh, you forgot that page. You forgot to read that page.
Oh, yeah.
You can read it now. Go. Start over there.
Is... it a
Handkerchief.
handkerchief? No, said the children. Is it a book?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is a book, said the children.
Well done.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Good reading, Mousy.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of pages. How could I read all of that?
Because you're super clever. Don't you think?
No.
You don't think you're clever?
No.
Give me a smile. Smile. I've got a video. Wait. Love
I love
you.
you, Daddy.
Dad?
I got you, Dad, Mommy.
Do you love me too?
Yes, baby.